You may be wondering why I'm starting this video with my turban on my head. I am trying out for the first time today something called Wash Now, Style Later. And this routine was developed by a friend of mine over on Instagram. Her name is Danielle. I'll have her Instagram linked down below. And what she loves to do is to wash her hair at night, wash, condition, and let it completely air dry. And then she wakes up the next morning, re-wets her hair, and goes ahead and styles. This is kind of a great combination of washing your hair at night or washing your hair in the morning, depending on where you have time, because we all know that doing the curly girl method takes a lot of time, and figuring out ways to shorten how long it takes you to do your hair is always optimal. This is my first time trying this, so I am kind of excited. What I have done is, well, why don't I just go ahead and show you what I've done so far.
Hello, once again. Now, I am just beginning the washing process here, and oh my goodness, I was so excited to wash my hair this day. That funny face I made in the beginning, yeah, it's because I hadn't washed my hair in 4 days, and that may not seem like a lot to you, but that was a lot to me. So I'm grabbing the Simply Curls Co. Clean Shampoo, and man, I've got to tell you, I have had a hard time putting this shampoo down. I find that it gets my scalp really, really clean and makes my hair really, really shiny and makes my hair really clean because I am greasy. That's why 4 days is a long time for me. Now I am going in with this scalp scrubber. I really love using this thing. I feel like it increases the circulation in my scalp as well as really helps deep clean my hair when I haven't washed it in a few days. Also, I find that when I don't really take my time rinsing out my shampoo, my roots get greasier way faster than when I take a few extra seconds to really rinse it out well. Now I'm going in with the Simply Curls Co. conditioner and protein elixir. I'm taking 4 pumps of each of these, and I will just start distributing them through my hair. The protein elixir just gives that conditioner a little boost of protein. Since the conditioner is protein free, it's kind of fun because you can adjust the level of protein that your hair needs. I'm just working that through with my fingers, doing a good finger detangling and grabbing the Perfect Hair Care brush. I am still loving this thing. With those bristles being slightly longer, it makes them more bendy, and you want to talk about just melt tangles out of your hair. I'd already finger detangled my hair, and I'm really just distributing the conditioner thoroughly through my hair with that brush, but man, oh man, I love that brush. It is just fantastic. Now I'm doing a little bit of a squish to condition, and I felt like there wasn't enough water in my hair. Now you can see that there's plenty of water in my hair. Don't be afraid to add a little bit of water to your hair when you have the conditioner in it. It really does help do much better hydration when you have the correct amount of water and conditioner in your hair. Now that I've spent a good amount of time scrunching in that conditioner, I am going to rinse it out and just basically wring my hair dry. I am just scrunching out all the excess water that I can get because I can't help myself. I just scrunch like crazy. Now I'm going in with the Simply Curls Co. detangling spray. I'm kind of using this like a leave-in. They don't have a leave-in yet, but I have really been loving their detangling spray. Just scrunching that in as well because, like I said, I can't help myself. I like to scrunch.
All right, so I have had this beautiful towel on my head for about 20 minutes, and I am just going to go ahead and take it off. This towel is so versatile. It's really fun to be able to use because you can plop with it in many different ways. So these are the curls I have going on right now. I am just going to go ahead and scrunch out any excess water that I can. wet hair is attacking me. There we go. All right. And this is my hair like so. I am going to let it completely finish air drying, and then I'll go to bed, and tomorrow I'll wake up in style. Let's see how this goes. Hello, can you see me all the way back here? All right, so my hair is driving me crazy because I have no product in it, and the little flyaway hairs keep like touching my face. So since it's dry, I'm gonna go ahead and tie it up for the night, and I thought I would go ahead and show y'all how I do that because I need to like pull it out of my face so that I can live my best homebody life today. I have got my Lily Silk scarf. I'll have it linked down below, but I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this on my head. I have it folded in half into a gigantic triangle. I have the point coming towards me. Now, I don't tie it, I just twist this front section together. And then I reach around, and now I go ahead and tie it. Then I grab the top corner end of my hair. I stuff my hair in, and I take that front corner. Ooh! I take that front corner and I twist. And since I twisted this front section together, I can tuck this front corner in. Now I push everything back just a smidgen, and there we go. Now my hair won't touch my face anymore. I'm very happy about that. Okay, so it's the next day, and I think I may have already messed this up. My roots were really oddly greasy this morning, so I went ahead and I put in a little bit of my Hair Dance Volumizing Dry Shampoo, and that may really mess with these results. I don't know. We'll see. And I have my Flaresol bottle and my Eco Slay Orange Marmalade. Y'all know I haven't used this in a very, very long time, but my hair is feeling a little bit dry, and this is the most moisturizing hard hold, one and done gel styler I have ever used. So let's see how this goes. What should I do? I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a towel and drape it over my cute shirt and start wetting down my hair. One moment, please. All right. I'm going to get this. There. I feel cute. Let's see. And all I have in here is water and actually a little bit of lavender oil. It seems to keep the bottle fresher for longer. All right. And I'm just gonna keep adding water until I feel like I have the right amount in my hair. So probably all this water bottle. We'll be back in a minute. I'm gonna smooth some of it in and start scrunching. All right, I feel like the underneath has nothing. See the importance of touching your hair. All right. I wouldn't have known that the underneath side didn't have any water if I hadn't touched my hair. You know, this reminds me of another hairstyle. Wow. another styling technique I tried a really long time ago. It was called rake wet scrunch. So what you do is you remove a bunch of water from your hair, and then you put in your stylers, you rake them in with your fingers. And once you've raked in all your stylers, then you scrunch your hair. It's raw, though weird. Sorry, I'm just being silly. Okay. Trying to make sure there's enough moisture in my hair so that I can distribute the product evenly, because the moisture, the water, will help open up my hair cuticle. It will also allow the product to better penetrate. I think. This is what I think. Okay. We're getting there. Oh, my hair soaks up so much water. My hair's looking like wavier than it normally does. Like almost curly. Oh, gasp. Okay, can y'all hear that? There's just a little bit of a squelch, a little bit of a squishy sound as I squeeze my hair. And I did use the whole bottle. Okay, there we go. Okay, I think that's enough. And I'm going to try and go light on this gel. I think my sweet spot a while ago was like 6 pumps, but I'm gonna use less because there's less water in my hair to dilute the product down. I'm also gonna put just a little bit more water in this so that I can emulsify the gel with water as I apply it. I find that that really helps me, at least when I wet style. There we go. Now it's just water. There may be some leftover lavender oil in there, but I didn't add any more. All right. Ooh, it smells more orangey than it used to. Okay, one more bump. I feel like this section of my hair is drier than everywhere else. So, there we go. Maybe just a little bit more gel. I feel like these pumps are, since I got the smaller travel size, these pumps feel like they're smaller sized than the big bottle I used to have. So I want to make sure that I'm using enough product. I don't know. Y'all know me. I like to overdo the product. All right, last pump, I promise. Maybe. Okay, now I am going to remove some of that excess water so that my hair will dry a little bit quicker. And I'm going to use kind of a micro plop technique, aka scrunch my hair with my towel. This is the Perfect Hair Care towel that I talked about earlier. I'm still kind of playing with this and testing it out. But guys, I gotta tell you, so far, I am really stinking impressed. So there's this big debate between microfiber and t-shirts. T-shirts being completely smooth and not having any loops, and microfiber being able to absorb more water, but it has those loops that could potentially snag on your hair and cause frizz. Well, this is a mix of both. It is actually made of microfiber, but there are no loops. It is smooth, kind of like t-shirt material. So I'm really enjoying playing around with this. I've used a t-shirt for so long, and then I used that Resos microfiber towel for a while, and I really liked it, but yeah, I don't know. I just don't know. All right, now I'm gonna diffuse and I'll be right back. All right, and now my hair is 100% dry, so let me scrunch out the crunch. There is a tiny, tiny cast. I do remember that the Orange Marmalade used to give me kind of a cast, but nothing too crazy. I will say that I feel like my hair air dried a whole lot faster than it did, than it normally does. There we go. Words aren't happening. Big old hair flip. All right. And there we have it. My first attempt at wash now, style later. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and subscribe and click that notification bell, because then you'll be around to see me test out more curly hair techniques coming up real soon. And leave a comment down below. Is there any technique you think I should try next? There's so many different ways to style curly hair, and I want to try them all because my hair texture is barely wavy, and it's fun to figure out what works well for wavy hair because I like trying all the things. This is just one great big experiment over here, just hanging out and trying things on my head. Let me go ahead and show you the back so that you can see how that turned out. All right, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you've got a quick second. I would really appreciate it. It helps me out. And I hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to y'all later.